Good day to each and everyone. Our topic is integrating function in supply chain management. What is supply chain integration? A supply chain comprises all the individuals, organizations, resources, activities, and technology involved in the creation and sale of a product from raw materials to the final product ending up at end users. An integrated supply chain can be defined as an association of customer and suppliers who, using management technique, work together to optimize their collective performance in the creation, distribution, and support of an end product. The role of logistics in the supply chain. Essentially, it concerns ensuring that goods are being moved between the appropriate stakeholders according to agreements regarding quality and timing.
What is supply chain integration? Supply chain integration essentially means that the information and communication system of all stakeholders are able to assembly, exchange information throughout all planning, execution, and completion of transport and logistics operation throughout a product's lifetime. It means that supply chain integration is where the information and communication were built, exchanging of plans and ideas, execution and completion to make the product keep operating throughout the time. Supply chain integration is recognized as an important factor to attain superior supply chain performance as it offers the host of competitive advantage including complete transparency all the way from supplier to customer.
This can be easily done with the Mixmove Cloud platform. By adding our solution on top of your existing solutions, you can get all the information you need to make the right decisions without changing interfering with your existing IT landscape. Over the last year, several initiatives have been taken to facilitate the use of the same infrastructure for logistics. By connecting to this infrastructure, stakeholders may securely communicate with all others.
Chain integration requires a shift of mindset that begins with an understanding that traditional process and solutions are ill-equipped to meet the demands of today's hyper-connected customers. So in order to make a product or a company successful, you need to have a shift of mindset and understand all the possible ways and techniques to utilize in order you to meet the expectation and demands of the customers. With integrated planning and visibility as a key priority of many logistic companies, supply chain integration has evolved from business necessities to one of the primary focus areas of enhancing competitive advantage. The benefits of doing so are substantial.
Integration and collaboration with carriers and supply chain partners produce a wealth of real-time information and the ability to see across supply networks to make better business decisions. Supply chain integration often takes the form of integrated computer system. For example, the supplier's computer system may be set up to deliver real-time data to the buyer's computer. This allows the buyer to know the current status of all orders, which products are in the supplier's inventory. Seamless cross-organizational integration of the supply chain is an inevitable business move in a time of heightened market volatility. By going paperless, operators can significantly reduce their costs, boost their efficiency, and provide first-class customer service.
There are four stages of supply chain integration. The first step is the integration, second is the operations, third is the purchasing, and the fourth is the distribution. These four elements of the supply chain will work together to establish a path to competition that is both cost-effective and competitive. In integration stage, communication and collaboration with all parties is a business strategy that eliminates error and save money. Manager duties becomes more efficient and successful within team and integrated into the sequence of process. The second stage is the operations. Supply chain operations are the backbone of the supply chain process, ensuring that your employees will consistently work. Managers monitor day-to-day operation to ensure that various supply chain phases stay on track. The third stage is the purchasing. Knowing ahead of time that supply chain process will look like within your company is a crucial aspect. It is important to know exactly what goods to purchase within your company, whether it is materials, supplies, tools, or equipment. And the last stage is the distribution. This is the final step in the supply chain, is when your product is received by customer either from store shelf or through direct shipping.
Why is integration important in supply chain management? When done properly, supply chain integration will bring parties that are often at odds together with a single focus. All of the materials and components from along the supply chain are needed, and by integrating everything into a single system, it is a much easier for effective product creation. Supply chain integration is a process where all the parties involved with a fulfillment of a product are integrated into a single system.